Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem quickly and effectively. So in the first step, we need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. Once we're here, we need to expand the monitors. So click on this icon and right click on the particular device, select update drivers, or you can simply click on properties, go to drivers tab and click on the update driver. Once we are here, we need to select search automatically for drivers option and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, close these two windows and simply move to the display adapters. Again, right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab, select update drivers. Again, do the same process for this one also. Select the search automatically for drivers option and then just close all windows one by one. Now go to search bar, type your cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator, select S. Once we are here, we need to type the command sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system32 backslash ie frame .dll and hit enter. Now type in sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system32 backslash ie frame .dll. Then type your chkdsk and hit enter. This will take around 4 to 5 seconds, and then type your sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. So this command will take around 10 to 25 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. If you are doing this command after a long time, then it will take 10 to 15 minutes for sure, and if you are doing regularly, then it will take a little bit time. So do this process, complete these up to the 100% and simply restart your system and problem will be solved for sure. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.